Welcome to another video. Today it is the 10,000 subscriber giveaway and I can't quite believe that I'm saying that. I am amazed and ever so grateful that all of you guys have decided to click the subscribe button, so thank you very much. I have some amazing goodies for you, and I have so many amazing goodies that I'm actually giving away 3 prizes. Not just one, not just 2, but 3 prize bundles. So let's get started. So prize bundle number 1 is going to include a £100 fabric hamper from Minerva Crafts, and you can find Minerva Crafts here, and they sell fabric, haberdashery, sewing patterns, and they have free UK delivery and free UK returns as well, and their returns policy is amazing, and I have used it and it is super convenient and super easy to do as well, so that is awesome. I absolutely love Minerva Crafts. I have used them for I can't remember how many years now, but they are amazing. They have everything that you can possibly imagine on their website, and I got my swimwear elastic from them, I got bikini clasps from them, I've got viscose jersey from them, I've got brocade from them, they have cashmere coating which I have samples of, they have like everything that you can imagine under the sun, they have it. So I was really excited when they agreed to take part in this giveaway. That is part of prize bundle number 1. So next up we have the Fleur buttons in pink, and these are from Wham buttons, and I discovered these through the Stitches Brew podcast and I am absolutely in love. I bought myself a set for a cardigan, I have a set for a super fancy shirt dress that I'm planning on making, and the lovely Jocelyn agreed to take part, and she has sent me some beautiful buttons. So there is 6 buttons of the Fleur, and they're kind of like iridescent, and then they have the most delicate blush pink shade on them. They are absolutely beautiful, and she's also sent a care guide of how to look after, and you can wash these are fine bone china, and yeah, I love these. So that's the second goodie. Next up, this is from me, and we have, so there's 2 of these and it's like these lace appliques which are a matching pair. There we go, get it the right way around. I bought these with the intention of sewing them onto a bodice of a shirt dress or a shirt, and I can really see these over some pinstripe fabric that I have that I got from the Gold Hawk Road that I'm going to make a Bruyere shirt out of. I just think that would look really cool, but you can do whatever you like with these. But yes, so there's a pair of appliques. There will be 3 meters of this Spoonflower cotton silk, and it is actually a photograph under a microscope of the inside of an abalone shell, and it's just, you can see why I bought it because it's just so many of my favorite colors. But yes, so 3 meters of this. And last but not least is a £20 voucher for Lamazi Fabrics. And Lamazi Fabrics is a recent discovery of mine. They stock all of my favourite prints from Lady McElroy, and the service is absolutely amazing. Liana is such a gem. She is so lovely and very helpful. So if you have any questions at all, you can drop them an email and they will be more than happy to help. And if you don't win the competition, they have also really kindly given me a 10% discount code, which is valid until the 10th of October, and it is Shan10, and that will get you 10% off any order over £20. So you all know how much I like to enable fabric purchasing, so 10% off. Oh yes. So that is everything in prize bundle number 1. So we have the £100 hamper, fabric hamper from Minerva Crafts, we have the beautiful Fleur buttons from Wham buttons, we've got the lace appliques from me, we've got 3 meters of the cotton silk fabric from me, and also a £20 voucher from Lamazi Fabrics, which is an amazing bundle, as you can imagine. And that's bundle number 1. So prize bundle number 2 is a £50 gift voucher for Spoonflower. Now if you haven't seen it, there is this video which will give you a kind of a rough idea of how much of a Spoonflower fangirl I already am, and when they agreed to take part with the giveaway I was over the moon. So there's a £50 gift voucher to buy anything that you like from Spoonflower, and Spoonflower were the first of its kind. They've been around since 2008, and they came about because they wanted to empower individuals to be able to create exactly what they wanted when it came to fabric, wallpaper or gift wrapped. So yes, if you haven't checked out Spoonflower's website, I highly recommend that you do. I shall have it linked here. You can, I personally can spend hours on that website just drooling over all of the beautiful, beautiful prints and the things that people create. I mean, if you can imagine it, you can find it on there. There is Doctor Who fabric, there is Minecraft fabric, there is just beautiful floral fabrics. They have design competitions and just absolutely amazing. And anything you can imagine, you can find it on Spoonflower. So yes, £50 to spend on Spoonflower. You're also going to get a set of the lace appliques from me. I'm really intrigued to see what people are going to do with these because I haven't used them yet and I only have that one idea, but if you have any other ideas, let me know. We've then got 2 packets of the Grace buttons in red, which is actually a new colour that Wham have just introduced, and again these are absolutely beautiful. There is 8 buttons in total, and yeah, I love them so much. And finally, there's going to be 3 meters of the Abalone silk cotton blend from me. So prize bundle number 2 is awesome. £50 gift voucher from Spoonflower, the Wham buttons, the lace appliques, and 3 meters of the cotton silk fabric from myself. And actually the cotton silk fabric is a Spoonflower print, so yes, very fitting, and as you can see, I love their prints. And so the final prize bundle is prize bundle number 3, and that is a £25 gift voucher to Girl Charlee. And again, you guys will know of my long-standing love for Girl Charlee. I absolutely adore their fabric selection, and they are absolute dream to work with. And again, if you have any questions or anything like that, just drop them an email and they are so happy to help. You guys can also follow them on Instagram and join their newsletter, but be warned, they will send you and show you the most beautiful fabrics. And if you have the willpower like I do, you'll have a fabric stash that you couldn't possibly sew up in any reasonable amount of time. But I just, yeah, whenever I get their newsletter in and see the new prints that are coming out, it's like, ooh, I need that. They've also really kindly given me a 15% discount code, which is kitten15, and if you use that, you'll get 15% off your order. I also have some beautiful Rosie buttons in the grey colourway from Wham, and again, there are 8 buttons there, and they are absolutely gorgeous. This was such a fun parcel for me to receive because also I haven't seen these particular styles in real life. I've only seen them on the website, and they are just so stunningly beautiful. They've got like a pearlescent luster to them, and then the colour around the edges, just so pretty. And if you haven't checked out Wham buttons, I will have linked the Etsy shop in the description down below so you can go and check it out. There's also a set of lace appliques for prize number 3, and of course 3 meters of the beautiful Abalone print from Spoonflower, and again it's on a cotton silk. And it is just absolutely stunning. I love this stuff so much. So that's the £25 Girl Charlee voucher, the lace appliques, the Wham buttons, and 3 meters of cotton silk fabric, and that's prize bundle number 3. What do you have to do to win all of these gorgeous things? What I would like to know in the comment section down below, if you had an unlimited budget and you could suddenly become Susan Calgie for the day, so your skill levels were like, you know, up here, couture level, what would your fantasy garment outfit be? Let me know. I'm going to use a random number generator to pick the winners. I'll be announcing the winners on the 20th of October when I'm back from Ibiza. So to enter, all you need to do is like this video and comment down below with what your fantasy project would be. I'm really excited to read all of your answers because, you know, like my fantasy project is the butterfly gown that I keep harping on about, that I am just too terrified to actually make. But I'm really excited to hear what you guys, what you guys have come up with. So 10,000. I'm 10,400 of this as of this morning. I'm like literally blown away. So thank you to every single one of you. That's 10,405 people who've actually taken the decision to click on that subscribe button, and that is absolutely amazing. So thank you. Couldn't be doing any of this without you, and I am literally over the moon. So thank you. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.